trade gang. You see I got the shirt. You see I got the shirt popping, man. You see I got the shirt popping. They see me trading. They hating. You feel me? No cap. That's just how we doing it. Hey, but no cap, man. I got a little something that I want to goddamn. I want to show y'all, man. Like I ain't really trying to do no whole long video. You feel me? But today, I just want to get something off while I'm feeling good. Bye bye. You know, babe, she sleep over here. She like, I gotta go to sleep. Whatever. I'm still up trying to figure out how to get to this bag. You know me, but let me see if I can turn. I want y'all to see something real quick. You feel me? Hold on, let me see if I get my shit. Okay. See if I can move this shit up. Alright, so boom, I'm about to focus on this little session right here. Okay, so boom, we about to focus on this little session right here. Now when I say if this right here for like this can be for anybody, but like this more for people that don't like made it past their little learning curve. You know what I'm saying? Very past their little learning curve and goddamn, trying to find somewhere, trying to find like a little strategy or something like that, man. See, I have my little shit right here. See, y'all ain't ready for this right here. See, when y'all get ready for this right here, Trade Guide 2020 strategy from $20 to 52,000. I got the I got the recipe right here. That's it. But we're gonna focus on this right now for right here. Let me see if I can see if I can goddamn work it out. Hold on. See if I can pull it up a little bit. Boom. Okay. There you go. So we already 3 minutes in the video. So what we about to do? So like when I be trading my breakouts, I be trying to trade my breakouts. You can see the market ain't really go too far up here. It got like a little resistance up there. But for the most part, you got a real area of support right there. So that got broke and it came back to that low. But see, if you trade, you would already know that if this level get broke, that was gonna come back to that level. That was the last previous low. So just looking at that and it came up here and it gave you that little support level right there. So you know that if it broke that, it was gonna come back to that level. You did know that, right? So boom, this is what I do. I'm gonna break the full shit down in another video. But see, I got my kill zones popping. That give me my time frames. It give me the London session, the New York session, the A with all that. So it give me all my sessions and it let me change the colors to it. So I got my shit in the red with what I'm saying, the London session. And it start at 3. You see I got my markers showing me where the market start at. So if you trade the opening, you'll find yourself being more successful in the open for trading. And that's at 3 o'clock in the morning. So if you can get yourself up at 3 in the morning and look for a setup, and I'm gonna show you that every morning at 3 o'clock is hella setups. I'm talking about hella setups. Like I said, this for everybody, but for real, like if you ain't got past that learning part, if you ain't got yourself past that little learning section, man, that you need to get past, like really, you just wasting your time for real. Cause all that shit really don't even matter if you ain't got past that part. So let me see. Hold on, y'all. Let me see what I'm about to show y'all. Let me see if I can goddamn get this shit. Okay, let me see. I really ain't got my little. I need my little. We gonna do this video the best way we can, y'all. Hold on. Fuck it. I don't need all that. We just gonna do this. So this trade guy, you feel me? Big trade guy, man. Big trade guy. And to be honest, she over there asleep. You know what I'm saying? One in the oven. If you know what I'm saying. Let me see if I wake up. I'm on the iPhone today. So I hope this video. Hey, matter of fact, I might be fucking up my volume because I'm holding it at the bottom. But this trade guy, just trying to communicate with all my trade angels. You feel me? So at the end of the day, this is what we about to pop it off. So it's 3 in the morning. This level was the lowest level that happened before all before my new time before the London session opened, and it gave me another low. It hit that same low after it broke out of there. I could have scapped that right there to there. I could have. I really could have, and been successful. But I'm more worried about the real breakout. So it hit that level, came back, gave me another level, bounced up, came back here, and broke it at the beginning of the opening. So that right there let me know that once that happened, I'm about to scalp the market for a good at least 15, 20 minutes, and it's gonna give me all of that. As you can see, I got my shit lined up 3, 3, 15, 23, 15, all the way down to about, we just gonna say this right here, 21. So you can see the pippage, you can see the movements. So with that being said, I like trading the breakouts of shit. Because once you get that good breakout, like right here, you see how I got my EMA popping, then it came up. It broke out of there. See, I could have scalped that, but it gave me, I didn't do it. I'm just showing y'all. I didn't take none of these trades. But these are the trades that I would take if I was in that session. If I was trading, doing my shit, that's what I would actually be doing in real life. So I really could have brought this little box down to this line because it traded to breakout. And it was 281 pips. And that right there would have showed me, boom. If I was trading a dollar, I'd have made $281 just for the day. If if I was trading this breakout right here, I'd have made $600 just for the day. Trading at 10-cent lot size. You feel me? 10 cents is a dollar. So if I trade a dollar, I'm at 10 cents, I would have made $60. You get what I'm saying? 600 times 10, 10 cent, that's $60. I would have made $60. Then if I would have came over here and did that, I would have made $28. And came over here and did the same thing, I would have made 20. So 60, 28, that's about what, 80. Then another 20, that's $100. I would have made $100 if I was trading all of these, just a penny lot size. $80 for the day. That's a good day when you got a small account. That's a good day. That's a damn good day. $80, $80 on top of whatever you making at your job or whatever else you're doing in your life. And then look at this level. It broke that level. This the level that got broke. Remember? Look, it came back up to that level. It came back up. It came back up to that level. Boom, boom, boom. That's that same level. Same level. Same level. So at the end of the day, once it broke out of here, I knew I had no choice but to come back here. Because that was a major level of support. I know it had to come. It had nowhere else to go. Well, it was gonna stop here? No. I'm not worried. I'm not worried about it stopping here. I'm worried about, okay, once it break out of here and it came up full momentum. Momentum. Look at the bars. You feel what I'm saying? That would have been my next level. I don't really care about what it did up here. That's cool. But see, I would have took me a nice calculated trade, and guess what? That got me right there 200 pips. So just imagine if you was trading, 20 cents. Instead of making 20, you would have made a good 40. Just imagine if you would trade 20 cents on that instead of making $60, you would have made what, 120? I think it's 120. Let me see. 120. I had to use my calculator, gang. Okay, my bad. I had to use my calculator, gang. So, like I said, that if you would have did 20 cents, just trading 20 cents, just a dollar would have got you a 10 cent on that trade on that 600. You would have made $60. If you'd have traded the 20 cents, 600 times 20 cents, you would have made 120 off of that little small play right there. Uh, yeah, so let me get my shit to come back in. 120, like I said, you would have made 120 for that day. Just imagine if you would have did this and caught on that play on that breakout right there when it broke off of my EMA. You know what I'm saying? Boom. That's 281 pips. So instead of making 20, you would have got that 40. Uh, so yeah, you would have made $56. So you'd have made 120 plus 56, and then 200 times 20 cents. That got to be $40. You know what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, 56 times 40, that's down there another 100. Another 100 with the 120. So you would have made a buck 20 for the day. $220 for the day. You know what I'm saying? That's a damn good day when you trading small lot size. And you would have got that 220 just trading 20-cent lot sizes. Just imagine if you would have did the 10. You would have paid 120. It's all there. It's all there. And look at this breakout. That breakout. Strong level, strong level. So if I can get that to break out strong, and then look at this. You got all these taps. Tap, 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 tap. Look, it came back down. It didn't tap no more. So really, we going up right there. That right there would have showed me that the market pushing up right there. It don't want to come back down and touch it. So boom, I'd have got ready to look for the breakout. And that's the thing about it. You gotta wait. You can't just jump in because you know it's about to because you'll fuck around and put yourself in a drawdown. You don't want to be in a drawdown. You want to hop in that motherfucker right there as soon as that bitch break out. You can, you know what I'm saying? If you want, you can wait till the little wicks get crossed, whatever, just to confirm your money or however you want to do it. But see, I know. Okay, hold on, my shit done went there. Okay, I know that shit was gonna break. And I see, I don't want to focus on nothing else in the market. I can show y'all something else and pull up another little scenario. But see, I got this one set up right here just to show y'all. It's gonna be the same shit. Breakage, looking for levels to break, and like, hey, I'm in a 5 minute time frame too, and I'm in the pound dollar, and let me move this. I'm trading at, you know what I mean, at 3 o'clock. I think I got like another paper. Let me see. Okay, here we go. So if you look at this, I got all the little time sessions. So the line that open at 3. And you got the Eastern time and the Mountain time. So the Eastern time it open up at 3. And these is the ones that I trade. I trade the London and the New York. Those are the main ones that I need to be at. So 3 a.m. If you think about it, it's 3 a.m. with this London. That's what happened. Think about it. Then look, 3 o'clock all the way to about. Let's go over here and see what time that really is. Okay, so to about 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. So you got 3, 4. You know what I'm saying? You got a couple hours to do your shit. Good, at least a good 5 hours to catch your money. And then guess what? You really don't want to be up that long looking for setups. This setup right here on the open would have took you out the door. But if you got that time of day and you a full time trader, then that little time of the day right there will mean a lot to you because at the end of the day, 3, 4, 6, 8, that's the time people really sleep. 8 o'clock is really the time people really getting up, going to work, getting on out the door. So when they going getting up and going to work, you gonna be laying down, going to sleep. Hell, think about it now. Like everybody want to talk this Forex shit, but ain't none of that shit they talking about making sense. Like ain't nothing really adding up. Like if you put that bitch in the 5 minute time frame and you trade the openers, whatever session you fuck with, whatever pair you really fuck with the most, trade the open of it. Matter of fact, don't even just trade it. Go practice it on the demo count to make sure that you see what I see, so you can understand what I see. And then once you see that you get breakouts like this every matter of fact, I'm gonna take you to another one just to show you. I'm gonna take you to another one just to show you. Let me see. I'm gonna take you to another one. We gonna get out of there and we're gonna go to another open. We're gonna go to another open. Let me see. See, I ain't wanna y'all forced it out of me. Y'all forced it out of me. Let's see if I can get this motherfucker come down a little bit. Y'all, my bad about the camera. I got that bitch swinging everywhere. Okay. And I'm trying to, I got the motherfucking shit on the Xbox. So, I'm gonna put this right here. I'm gonna tap that. Okay, we gonna look at that break. And I'm gonna grab this right here, my measuring stick. And we're gonna put that bitch right there. And we're gonna bring it all the way down here. And we're gonna see what the fuck we got. Matter of fact, let me adjust this one more time. Okay, we're gonna grab this. Y'all gotta excuse me. I'm holding the camera and my controller at both times trying to show y'all. So y'all really gotta bear with me. Let me put that bitch down one time. Give me one little second. I'm about to get y'all together. Hold on, watch this. Watch this. Boom. Watch this. Okay. So I got the measuring stick icon thing on there. That's why you see this little red shit highlighted to right there. Okay, so boom. That simple breakout right there. Only reason why it's brown is because this session ran into the London session together. And that's why it's more volatile like that because you got people in this session coming in with everybody that's jumping in this session. So that's people on top of people on top of people. So I'm gonna just show y'all this little quick move, and I'm gonna leave y'all alone. I'm gonna leave y'all, and I'm gonna show y'all one more, and I'm gonna show y'all one more within this time frame. If you see these red lines, that means this is the open, and this is the ending. This is the beginning of a new time session. This is the New York. You see 8 o'clock is right there. So that's the New York Stock Exchange opening right there. So boom, I'm gonna show you this. So this little break right here. Never mind this. I think I got that going to somewhere else over there, and it just scratched all the way over here, and it's in my way. But we gonna never mind this right here. Never mind this. Never mind that big blue line. I want y'all to look at this one. Okay, so you can see the market came down here and gave a low. It wicked out, closed up here though. You can see it closed up there. Boom. So what I'm trying to say is that the market came here again, so it gave me a low. Came back over here. You see us dancing around that level. Boom, 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 boom. So that is the level that I need the market. I need the market to break out of that. That it gave me a level to watch for. So boom. Now that the market has opened, it came all the way down here. As you can see, I stopped my measuring thing down here, right here. I should have went lower, cause it got like a little bit more, and that's extra pips that I cut that off. But just for the sake of this, just for the sake of just training and strategy purposes, we're gonna use that and we're gonna leave it where it's at, just so I can goddamn continue to what I'm trying to show y'all. So boom, from right here, after this breakout, and it's the open. So don't be confused because it's brown right here, and you see the opening right here should be red. You should like, well, if it opened up, it should be red. No, because this session ran into this session, but this is the open because guess what? Watch this. Let me take you to the time. Where it ain't gonna show me the time right there because this little shit in the way. But this is definitely 3 o'clock in the morning. So if you can see that the market dropped all the way down here to here, 527 pips, just off the breakout and the opening. Your day is done. And then if you traded $1 for every pip that you made, you'd have made 527 pips in just 20 minutes. So it took for the market to come right here to right here to this bar, 20 minutes. 20 minutes of that 3 o'clock, you would have made hella bank. $527. So just imagine if you would have took that 527. Just say we gonna just say 500 pips, and you do a motherfucking 20-cent lot size or something. You know what I'm saying? Think about it, man. You don't gotta go big. You don't gotta go big. Just go get the small money. Once you see the setup, you get the money. Don't let all that other shit confuse you. It ain't even all that. It ain't even all that hard for real. Just do what I'm telling you, and you're gonna get the money. Watch for the breakout. Get your setups popping. Look for all your levels that you need to see before the open happens, and watch for the breakout. Once you get the openings and you watching your opens, make sure that you got a level that you already watching before the open. So whatever level you got, once that motherfucker get broke, you hop in on the scalp. You scalp the fuck out of it. So you gonna be like, when should I get out? You should get out once that motherfucker go all the way down to a level that you know is gonna be. So like if you want to do a what do they call it, a 1 to 3, a 3 to 1, how they call it, a 1 to 3 risk ratio shit. You know what I'm saying? You do that. You know what I'm saying? Make that motherfucker 3.00. However you gonna do it. And I'm gonna show you this last little setup right here. I'm gonna show you this last little setup right here. So boom, we got another level right here. You can see that this level got broke. Look at this level. Oh, matter of fact, now I see why it's up here. This level got broke. So boom, we gonna do this. we gonna do it just like this. We gonna bust it. Bow. We're gonna put this little measuring motherfucker right here. Right where it broke out at. Just want to get it right there on the spot. Okay, boom. All the way. Okay, all right, we're gonna get out of there. We're gonna get another one. We're gonna get out of there. We're gonna get another one. Okay, come back. Here, I'm back. This shit acting. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Boom. Take it right there. Boom. Look at that. So once you got that level right there, bro, you see how the market came up. You see that's that drop, that one that dropped, and it came all the way up. You see how it came up, retraced it. See, I could have took that, but see, I didn't want to fuck with that. I wanted to break out of my little EMA, come back, retest it, respect it, boom. So now I know the market is about to go back up. So now when the market go back up, I don't want to just place a trade up like, well, shit, why didn't you hop in right there? I don't want to just hop in right there because it could veer off and do some other shit and not what I wanted to. But if I know that once it come back up here and it break this level that I got right here, that I know that I'm in for a quick scalp buy just like I was on that one. Cause that's the breakout. And we still traded in the London session. So anything that happens within that session is all good money. And then you can see it just went 500 pips, five something pips, and then another 422 pips. So think about it. You think about it. What kind of day would you have off that? What kind of day would you have off that if you was trading the way that I tell you? How long would you be continue to work at your job if you look for setups like that every day in the market? How would you be able to change your life every day if you traded the way that I told you to? 422 pips. If you put enough money in your account, just enough money in your account, not a lot, but just to the point where you can trade $1 on your margin, you would have made $422 just in 10 minutes. Just in 10 minutes. How many motherfuckers making $422 in 10 minutes? Like, think about it. Think about it now. Look at my fire, man. That's how you know I'm on fire. You know what I'm saying? I'm on fire around this bitch. It's fire underneath these markets right now, man. I got the motherfucker burning up, no cap, no key money. You got the motherfucking breakout right here. That's 500 pips. You'd have been happy. Some motherfuckers like, shit, I'm good for the day. But a nigga like me would have came in, looked for something else, because at the end of the day, I want to trade to this. I'm going to trade from here to here. And then guess what? By here, I'm fucking around and lay down. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Everybody else about to get up and take their little daily commute, go to work, whatsoever, etc., etc. But a nigga like me, hell, I might just lay the fuck down. I'm tired. Shit, I've been up since 3, trying to get the money just so I don't have to wake up and go to work. Because hey, you know what? Like I told my girl, I know, that's my wife. I love her to death. You know what I'm saying? She about to have my other half, you know what I'm saying? My seed. So guess what? I gotta make sure that my trading skills, my strategy, and my work ethic is just on point on times 10 right now, because I gotta make sure I can support them. I gotta make sure that my son, my ever, you know what I mean, don't want for nothing. And just trading like this will help me out just just man, just unimaginably. 422 pips. Just think about it. 10 minutes. People make what? 150, 160 to $200 a day. Just working at an average job. The average job paying what? 150 to $200 a day. Think about it. So in reality, if you really want to make some money, trade the breakout. Like I said, you would have 422 pips, $400 a day. You made $400 in 10 minutes that day. You think you got to keep going to work if you see? I just showed you the last previous setup over that way. I came back this way, show y'all another setup just to show y'all that this shit is consistent. And I took you to another opening of the London session. Man, this trade guy, man, I ain't gonna hold y'all up. I made this video a little bit longer than what I said I was, but you know what I'm saying? Like if you wanna like and subscribe and all that other shit, that's cool. I fuck with that, but this ain't for that. I wanna really see somebody, what I mean, get to this bag. So if you like what I said, man, like, subscribe, comment on my shit. Like, let me know if my breakout strategy on the open kind of helped you out, because I feel like that's the kind of low key the key in the mornings, man, like on some quitting your job type shit, man, just being consistent with doing that before you got to get up and go in the morning. You might be like, God damn, I just made $400 in 10 minutes. I'm only making 150 at my job. Why do I need to keep getting up? And it's going to be some days you lose. It's going to be some days you win. But if you do what I'm trying to tell y'all, you're going to win every day. And then, like, you going to learn how to make your losses, your losses ain't going to hurt you that bad. Like, they going to be losses, but they shouldn't hurt you that bad if you got real proper risk and like your risk management got to be on point. Like if you trying to if you say, okay, boom, I'm about to try to I'm about to put this trade in, but my stop loss is at like 15 ticks. So if I'm trading a dollar, that's gonna be fucking $15 that I just lost. But if I go hit for 30 pips, then I just won $30. I risked 15 for $30. That's like a That's like a what, 1 to 2? That's like 1 to 2, a half. 15 plus 15. It's like a 1 to 2. Let's say I want to. I mean, you get the concept, man. Like, so look, this trade guide. I want to bless all my trade angels out there. You feel what I'm saying? And at the end of the day, we gonna make it work some kind of way. If y'all listen to what I say, y'all did what I'm saying. Comment underneath my shit. If y'all can fuck with it, test it, go back test it, go see that it worked for y'all self. Go see that it actually worked. Go make sure that it worked, and get back with me. Let me know how y'all feel. And I'm out.